look at me, trying to get a hug out of sleeping in your t-shirt. He's not you, she's not me, and every time we see each other we wish we had said something first. I think we both should have said, hey, I know we had our ups and downs, smiles and frowns, but you're not all bad, and I don't think I'm
Okay.
There you go.
Nice note.
Thank you.
I love notes.
I missed it yesterday, so. As you can see, the bags were delivered from airtekk. So let's get these bad boys unboxed. I haven't seen them, so I'm about to open them, see them with you for the first time. I got my scalpel. So we're gonna be careful and not puncture any veins. So excited. Just like Christmas on What Are We Made? In April, almost. So these airbags are from airtekk. I ordered them in January. They took a while to get delivered because according to the information that I got, they're from out of state. The Sentra down here. It looks sturdy. One. Fittings. Rings, O-rings. These are the rears. I don't know if you can hear it. And these are the fronts. So these are the fronts again. So what I did, I didn't want to get new struts with airbags, so I just converted my Megan racing coilovers to airbags. Meaning, on the strut, I'm gonna take off the springs and I'm gonna place it with the airbag. So these are the fronts. They're very sturdy, the quality, as you can see. So these are the fronts. You screw them on the coil, and then you put them on top, and the fitting goes under here. And on the rears, you just replace the spring with the bag. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll show another video installing these bad boys on the struts. Stay tuned and follow my Instagram page. I'll put my info down here and my Snapchat up here. And keep watching, bros. See how this thing comes out on bags for you guys that want to bag your B17 Sentra. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks, guys.